How to connect Plus500 to MT4? Plus500 does not support integration with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. This applies to both its standard trading platform and its futures division. Instead, Plus500 uses its own proprietary platforms like WebTrader, its mobile app, and the default platform designed for advanced futures and options trading. If you're specifically looking to use MT4, you might consider alternative brokers that support this platform. For instance, MetaTrader offers both MT4 and MT5 platforms, catering to traders who prefer these interfaces. For those sticking with Plus500, you'll need to use their own platform, which provides real-time quotes, advanced charting, and risk management tools. Thanks for watching.